All right. What's up, everybody? Here we go. So I've had some comments on my chainsaw, and a couple of people said, once you get a hold of some hardwood, that saw will fall apart. Well, there's a hardwood stump right there. I had some others say, if you get anything over 2 inches thick with a diameter, then that's when you'll find out that saw is no good. That log right there is 12 inches in diameter. It's exactly 1 foot. 12 inches is what that log is. And so I was told in the comments that this saw from the TikTok shop, $76 saw, it's not 600, it's not 700, it's not 500, it's 76 bucks. And it comes assembled. You don't have to put it together or anything. $76 on the TikTok shop. I've not cranked it today. This will be the first time it's been cranked and ran, and whether or not it'll saw through, because the doubters said it would never saw through hardwood that is bigger around in diameter than 2 inches. So here we go. Here's the true test to find out, will it or will it not? There you go, from start to finish, from not being cranked straight up, go to cutting, that's it. Now, I know the comments, some of you is gonna say, oh, well, it didn't cut through it quick enough. It should have blew through that wood. And then some of y'all are gonna say it bogged down. I get it. I get what everybody's gonna say. I understand it's not everybody's cup of tea. If you don't like it and you wanna stick to your steel, brother. There ain't nothing wrong with that at all. But I'm talking about the folks that don't have $600-700 to spend on a chainsaw, and you need a chainsaw to get you out of a bind, to put on your side-by-side to help you in the hunting club. You need one to clear out a couple of trails, one that you need just for cutting firewood here and there for outside when you're smoking some wood in the summer and the winter time. That's what I'm talking about. It's a $76 chainsaw. You just seen it crank straight up, cut through wood. I didn't warm it up. I didn't sharpen it and all that stuff. I went straight to cutting, okay? That was after cutting this weekend for firewood. So here's what I'm saying. You can go buy a steel or a Husqvarna and it's probably better quality, but it's also $600 to $700. This is a $76 saw. That's a great deal. Check it out on the TikTok shop. I'm gonna put a link below. Thank y'all for checking it out. Thank y'all for clicking my videos, liking my videos, and commenting and everything else. And for the ones that say, well, he's just doing it for the commission, I make $2.16 for every saw that I sell. We ain't getting rich over here, okay? That's why I'm buying $76 saws. Y'all have a good day.
Now, that's a chainsaw. I know you be seeing these dinky little electric things on TikTok. Well, this ain't that. This right here from Neotech is a real 2-stroke gas chainsaw. Let's go cut some stuff. Yeah, so as you can see, that thing cuts awesome. Again, that's this 12-inch two-stroke chainsaw, gas chainsaw, right here on TikTok Shop from Neotech. It has all the features you're looking for in a legitimate, real chainsaw. The price is fantastic. Again, cuts really nice. And those are just some small little limbs and stuff on this down tree I got. So if you're looking for a chainsaw, if you want one that can really cut some stuff, check this bad boy out. I'll put the orange shopping cart right here on the TikTok Shop video. And I think that you should do yourself a favor and click that orange shopping cart and check this bad boy out. Or check it out for your husband. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.
She's going.
What $850 in 20 minutes look like?
Hey guys, Brian Mitchell here again. I found a great little buy on TikTok Shop. It's a generic chainsaw. I think it's like 79, 80 bucks or something. Runs better than any of the box chainsaws that I've been using over the years. Cannot beat the price. 20-inch chainsaw, runs great. Here, go start it for you and let you guys hear it run. Right out of the box. This is an awesome product. Thank you.
Do you struggle with those pesky tree limbs? I have got a tool for you, and really not just one, but two. So not only is this a mini chainsaw, comes with the blade protector as well. It's available in an 8-inch and a 6-inch, but you guys, look at this. Attach it to your pole, and you now have a pole saw. Not only that, it's about 5 foot, but that's not as tall as it goes. You can get a little taller. The second one, even taller, 10 feet tall, you guys. So not only are you getting a mini chainsaw, you've got a pole saw. Let's try it out. Okay, so let's try out the mini chainsaw piece first. So as you can see, the mini chainsaw worked amazing. Now we are going to go try out the pole saw part. Cut down some of these branches here using the pole saw. Thing worked amazing, and you guys, you would not believe the price. It is on Black Friday right now with an extra 20% off coupon. You can get this entire setup for like 125 bucks right now. It also has some really cool features.
You can spin the head whatever direction you need, and then you can adjust the angle here. Pretty cool little setup, and I'm a gas big brand chainsaw guy. Works actually pretty dang good for something to have around the house, and it's gotten through everything we needed to.
So go grab it now. Do not miss the sale.